Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, and yeah, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another wash and go, but in this wash and go, I'm going to be using the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard Gel. And I've heard and seen a lot of people using this and raving about this product, but I've never used it. As y'all can see, this is the brand new bottle or container or whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to be using that. And I also am going to be using, well, I've already put this in my hair, but this is the leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I've used this product before and I really like it. So I'm definitely going to be pairing it with the gel from the same brand. And just to add a little bit more moisture, I'm going to be using this Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this too, because I don't want to just use the leave-in and just the gel. I need a little bit more moisture, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so let's just get right on into this video. Alright y'all, so like I said previously, I already have the leave-in conditioner, the Kinky Curly Not Today, the Tangler, leave-in and detangler. I already have that in my hair, so you know we already got a little moisture going on. You know, I just put that in while I was in the shower or whatever. So now I'm gonna be putting in this avocado moisturizing hair milk, and usually like I'll put it in smaller sections, but I don't want to put a bunch, so I'm just gonna put it on this whole section. So I don't know if this product is going to work well with the gel. And I don't want to have like no product buildup or nothing like that. But I do want that extra moisture in my hair. So I'm just going to put it on the entire section like this. But so far so good. Let me spray some water. It did get a little dry. Alright y'all, so after 10 years, I finally got this thing open. But first impressions, it smells really good. I don't know how to really describe the smell, but it's like a sweet kind of smell. But it smells really good. And it's like a jelly consistency. I don't know if y'all can see that. But let me show y'all. It's like really slimy and jelly. So yeah, let's just see how this is about to work. So yeah, I went ahead and just split this section in half. Okay. Like, that literally just like transformed my hair that quick. It got like some really good slip. Like I can just slide my fingers right on through with no problem. And usually like I'll brush out my hair, but I didn't even brush my hair out. Like I'm probably not going to, because that looks good just like that. Okay, that was fast. This might not even take that long. Ooh, y'all see that? That's cute. Okay, I'm a little late to the game, but it's alright, you know, it's okay. We're gonna see how this turns out, but so far, that looks good. Like, that looks good to me. But yeah, let me go ahead and do the next little section. Again, about that much. Ooh, it kind of smells like marshmallows. That's what it kind of smells like. It smells good. Oh yeah. I feel like this is gonna come out great. Yes, I like this. And it's like, my hair feel like it's real light. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't feel weighed down or anything, but it's still like got my hair clumped together. Like, yes, y'all see that? That looks so good. So yeah, that's this whole section. I should have been got this. What was I thinking? Well, y'all, it is like high as crap. Like, I got this at the beauty supply store. I don't know if it's cheaper at the beauty supply or at Target, but it cost $17.99. I don't know if I can see that. That's high for one product. And the thing about it is, I went to the beauty supply store trying to find like affordable products and end up buying this. And the Tangler leave-in was $12.99. So just these two products was like $35. Too much, but the curls is popping though, so. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing the rest of my hair, and y'all can just watch. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I've put all the product in my hair, and I'm gonna just say this right now, like, my hair looks really good. Like, it hasn't looked this good after putting some product in I don't know how long. And I decided to put my part down the middle. It's been a long time since I wore a middle part, but I'm like, let me try it out because it's been a minute and it might look okay. Cause y'all, like I said, my hair is short in the front, long in the back, and it kind of look funny. But you know, we're gonna see how it looks with this middle part. Hopefully it's straight, but you know, it ain't gotta be perfect. Let's see. I feel like this is some bomb gel. Like, my hair looks so good. And it got body. It's not stiff. I mean, it ain't dry yet, but I can tell it's gonna be fine. Yeah, you guys, so pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and sit up under the dryer, let this dry, and then I will be back to show y'all what my hair looks like. I got good feelings about this. Okay, you guys, so this is how my hair looks straight from out of the dryer. It's a little stiff, but you know, that's all right. It is definitely dry though. Definitely has some crunch going on, but that's all right. We're gonna fluff this out, you know, put some oil on it like I always do and get it going. But for the most part, it looks really good. Y'all see it's shining. Curls definitely held some definition. Like, who? Okay. But yeah, so pretty much I'm going to take my Africa's Best Oil. I know I got it in this bag because, yeah, it spilled everywhere. But that's okay, you know, it still works. So we're going to just slap some of this on my hair to get this crunch out. We don't want that. Well, it's really not crunchy. It's just a little stiff. But, you know. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have used this gel before. Or this combination with the leave-in and the gel. Because this looks really good, okay? It's like I barely have like any frizz, like nobody frizz. So I definitely can tell like this style is going to last, which is great. Alright, so now that we got that all done, I'm definitely gonna pick my hair out. So, you know, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I am, because I like my hair to be big and it kind of looks funny because I'm not used to it being down the middle. So I'm definitely gonna pick it out some. Alright, y'all, so I think now I'm going to slick my edges down a little bit more, and I'm using this new edge control that I talked about in the previous video from the brand Touchdown. And this is the hold on, this is the coconut one. So yeah, I had put a little bit on before I dry my hair, but I'm gonna put some more on, just so like this part can like go back a little bit, if y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all, so here is the final results of my hair. I really like how it came out. Like, this definitely might be my go-to gel when I do want to use gel, because this looks good. I don't know about this whole middle part. I'm not used to it because I'm used to having my hair on the side. Alright, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, let me know down in the description box and give me a big thumbs up. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.